Hi class, today I'd like to show you how to create a CengaeNOW new student account. So remember, all of the links to your learning resources, graded assignments are provided within the modules within your Canvas course. So if you click on the link for modules using the left-hand side navigation or the modules button from the bottom of your home screen, you'll be taken to your weekly learning activities and graded assignments modules. Remember, the course is broken into 16 weekly learning activities and graded assignments. So to create your CengaeNOW account, key thing, please use your HCC Hawkmail email account. Now, what you're going to do to create that student account is click on the CNOW, which is short for CengaeNOW, Start Here, Registration, Orientation, Assignment. Now that will take you to where you need to go to create the new student account. If you would also look at step-by-step instructions, they are provided within the file listed above. So all you have to do is click on the link, See Now, Start Here, Registration, Orientation, Assignment. Then when you click on that link, it's going to load in a new window so you can easily navigate back to your Canvas course. So all you have to do is set up your account. Now remember, CengaeNOW offers a 14-day grace period. At the end of that grace period, you do need to enter a valid access code. So all you need to do, again, is set up your account. Key thing, please make sure to use your HCC email account. Now, all you're going to do is retype that email. Now you're going to enter a password. So there's various items that are required for your password. So please make sure that you write that password down so that you don't forget it, and make sure you follow all of the requirements. Of course, then you're going to confirm it. Then you're going to enter your birth year. And you're going to select a security question. Then you have to make sure to select you have read and agreed to the terms. Of course, you don't have to select that you want to receive information about your course materials. Then all you have to do is click Create Account. Now just give it a few. So once the page actually loads, you will then be taken to the screen where you need to access and register your access code. Now don't worry, it's not going to say test. This is just my student test account look, but you will see this textbook and it will be called accounting. Now if you're using the grace period, you would just click on Open Course. If you currently have your access code, then what you would click is Register an Access Code. So again, if you've got your access code already, or if you don't, you could purchase it right here from Cengage Unlimited. Remember, Cengage Unlimited provides you access to all of the CengaeNOW textbooks that are currently being used within the courses you're taking this semester. So if you want to use the grace period, you would just click Open Course. If you have your access code already, click Register an Access Code, or if you want to quickly purchase it, click Buy from $119.99. So click on Register an Access Code. Then you would click on that access code that you have. Then click on Register. Now again, give it a few minutes to load and access and register everything. Once you've entered that access code, it will then be taken to your course. Now remember, for my accounting course, your Canvas account and CengaeNOW are directly linked together. Now notice right now you don't have any assignments available because the semester hasn't started per the time I'm showing you this video, but all you have to do is click on all the assignments. It will provide you the due dates, when it becomes available, how many submissions you've done, the number of allowed, how much time you have, and so on. You also have your grades tab. You also have a study tools tab. Now, any assignment you complete on Cengage will automatically flow through to your Canvas gradebook. So the Study Tools tab also provides you an abundance of resources for reviewing current material or past material within your CengageNOW accounting resources. So just as a quick review again, key things. You must click on the specific assignment within your Canvas course, meaning you must click on the CNOW Start Here Registration Orientation assignment. By clicking on that link, it creates a direct link to your specific CengageNOW course and directly links it to your specific Canvas course. Very important, you must use your HCC email. Again, all you have to do is click on that link. You would click Load the CNOW Start Here Registration Orientation assignment. Of course, you're not going to be asked to recreate that account since it's already been created. But you'll notice once it's already been created, it takes you right here. Now, since you can't take any of the assignments yet, it takes you to this screen. But once the assignments are available, it takes you directly to that assignment that you've clicked on. So this completes our overview of how you create that new CengageNOW or CNOW account.